Welcome to Travel Taste by Shamoun. Today, we're in the enchanting Medina of Tunis, the heart and soul of Tunisia's capital. Join me as we explore its rich history, stunning architecture, and vibrant culture.
Welcome to the heart of Tunis, where every step echoes centuries of history and cultural tapestry. As I stroll through the Medina, I'm surrounded by narrow alleys that whisper tales of the past.
The Medina of Tunis dates back to the 7th century and has been a UNESCO World Heritage Site since 1979. It's a place where history comes alive, with its labyrinthine alleys, bustling souks, and ancient mosques. Walking through the Medina, you'll encounter narrow pathways that twist and turn, revealing surprises around every corner. One of the most striking features of the Medina is its distinctive architecture. As we stroll through the narrow alleys, you'll notice the iconic yellow and blue gates and doors. These vibrant colors are not only visually appealing, but also serve a practical purpose. The design of these doors, with their lack of windows facing the street, was intended to protect the privacy of the families living inside. This architectural choice ensured that homes remained private sanctuaries, shielded from the outside world. As we continue our journey, we come across significant historical sites, such as the Hall of the Husseinid Princesses. This hall is a testament to the grandeur of the Husseinid dynasty, which ruled Tunisia from the early 18th century until the mid-23rd century. The family tree of the Husseinid princes is a fascinating glimpse into the complex history and lineage of Tunisia's ruling elite. During the Medina, you'll also find small, charming shops specializing in traditional oil perfumes. These shops, tucked away in the alleys, offer a sensory delight with their rich scents and beautifully crafted bottles. The tradition of perfume making in Tunis dates back centuries, and these shops preserve this artisanal heritage.
Today, the Medina remains a vibrant mosaic of Tunisian culture. The Great Mosque of Zitouna, with its towering minaret, stands as a testament to Islamic architecture and spiritual devotion.
Now, let's make our way to one of the most significant landmarks in the Medina, the Zaytuna Mosque. Founded in 732 AD, the Zaytuna Mosque, also known as the Mosque of Olive, is the oldest mosque in Tunis and a center of Islamic learning. Its architecture is a blend of various styles, reflecting the diverse influences that have shaped Tunis over the centuries. The mosque's vast courtyard, elegant minaret, and intricate tilework are a sight to behold.
Centuries ago, the Medina was a bustling hub of trade and learning, founded in the 9th century during the Aghlabid dynasty. Its labyrinthine streets have witnessed the rise and fall of civilizations, from Arab dynasties to Ottoman influences, each leaving their mark on the architecture and spirit of this place. Through the souks, or markets, I'm captivated by the artisans weaving intricate carpets, crafting pottery, and forging metals, skills passed down through generations. These souks aren't just places of commerce, but living reflections of a rich cultural heritage. It's in these moments that I realize the Medina isn't just a place frozen in time, it's a vibrant community where tradition meets modernity, where history breathes alongside innovation. As the sun sets over the Medina, casting a golden glow over its ancient walls and bustling streets, I can't help but feel grateful for the chance to experience this living history. It's a reminder that while the world around us evolves, places like the Medina of Tunis remain timeless, inviting us to embrace their beauty and stories.
You'll notice that the restaurants and cafes are closed during the day in respect of fasting hours. However, after iftar, the breaking of the fast at sunset, the Medina comes alive with a huge crowd. People gather to enjoy meals, socialize, and partake in the festive atmosphere, making it a truly magical time to experience the Medina. The Medina of Tunis is more than just a historical site. It's a living, breathing testament to the rich cultural heritage of Tunisia. From the vibrant souks and ancient mosques to the hidden gems in its alleys, every corner of the Medina has a story to tell. Thank you for joining me on this walking tour through the Medina of Tunis. Make sure to subscribe to Travel Taste by Shamoun for more adventures and insights into the world's most fascinating places. See you in the next video.